You're gonna be surprised at how quickly we can set up and place doors in ArchiCAD. In this video, you're going to master how to set doors and place them in an R+1 story. Whereas in the last video, we drew walls for an R+1 story. Video link above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. To place doors on this project, double click on doors. We're going to choose your door preference this way. We're going to start with door 1, which is the main entrance door. I like to use double door 27. If you're using any version of ArchiCAD, you're going to see the version this way. So double door 27 means I'm using ArchiCAD 27. Navigate to preview. The door size will be 1.20. That's 120 centimeters. The height of the door 2.20, and the seal height 0. Navigate to hinge door settings. Change it from no grid to style 15. Then choose handle 2. And then navigate in front. Make sure you select uniform handles. Under opening slide, I like to put all my opening slides to 45 degrees. Navigate to opening lines. Select override model view options and unselect opening lines. Navigate in front. Change this all to wall vertical nuts to mahogany. Once done, move down to floor plan and section. Select override object line type, override object pen, and under the color this way, change it to this. Same here under override object attributes, I'm going to select this and change all the color to be this. Once done, move to dimension maker. Change from no marker to basic window. Select uniform marker pen. Move down to marker text style. Put the text height to 0.80. Under A, this way I'm going to reduce it to 75. Move to marker settings. Under color, I'm going to change the color and use red, which is this. And then move to marker settings. Change from by type X. Move to classification properties. So this way I'm going to type in DR01, and under the labeling this way, which is the number of doors, I'm just going to reduce one of the 0 to be 01. We have DR101, which means door type 1, and this is number 1. Once done, I'm going to click OK. Before we start placing our door, I would like to right click and unselect true line width. Click on door, and then I'm going to place the door this way. Select the door edge. I'm going to drag it right up to somewhere here and shift the door by 0.20. Press enter. Double click on doors and change it to a normal door, which is this door 27. So if you're using ArchiCAD 27, you're going to see door 27. Move to classification and properties. Change from DR1. I'm going to type in DR201. Once done, I'm going to click OK. I want it to open this way. The second door, I want it to open this way. And finally, we'll have a toilet door this way. So for the toilet door, double click on doors. You change it to DR301. Click OK and change the door width to 0.8. Place it somewhere here. Select the door and position it at the edges. So select this point. Move from this point to this point. I'm going to do the same for this case. Select this door. Move from this point to this point. And finally, we are going to select this door and move from this point to this point. There is an error with this door because it's DR02. So we're going to select on the door, double click on doors. Under classification property, we are going to put in DR01. Opening, which is this dining. You double click on doors. Then we are going to choose empty opening. Probably for this project, I like rectangular opening. Type in openings. That's OP. Then I'm going to put in 01. Click OK. Doors, position it this way, and the opening you're going to select from the edge this way. Set the opening to 2.60 for the height, and the width of the opening to be 2.0. Press enter. Select the edge of the opening, drag to this point this way. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely gonna love what we have next. Click here to discover how to set and place windows in ArchiCAD. See you on the other side, my friend.